When you search for the best carbon steel pans, everything looks the exact same. Same matte black finish, same claims about searing and non-stick performance. Even the photos are nearly identical. But to figure out which one actually delivers in your kitchen, you've got to look past the surface.
Product number 1, Merton & Stork 12-inch carbon steel pan. This one caught my eye because it's been named by New York Magazine's The Strategist as their top budget-friendly pick, calling it a no-nonsense workhorse. At $52.50, it's priced right in the sweet spot for a quality pan that doesn't break the bank. If you want serious searing power without the weight of cast iron, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's pre-seasoned and ready to cook right out of the box, so you don't have to spend hours oiling and baking it before your first meal. It heats fast and evenly, which means fewer hot spots and better browning on your steak or fish. Plus, it works on induction, gas, electric, and even campfires, so whether you're at home or camping, you're covered. The triple riveted handle gives it a solid, secure feel, and it's metal utensil safe, which is a huge plus if you're tired of worrying about scratching your cookware. Now, some people complained about the handle getting hot during long cooking sessions. Here's the thing though, that's pretty common with carbon steel pans, and as long as you use an oven mitt or silicone cover, it's not a deal breaker. It's more of a heads up than a flaw. This is perfect for you if you want a large, versatile pan for family meals, searing steaks, or outdoor cooking. Skip this one if you're only cooking for 1 or 2 and don't need the extra space. For the price and performance, it's a solid value. Product number 2, OXO Obsidian 12-inch carbon steel pan. If the Merton & Stork's fixed handle was a concern, this next one takes a completely different approach. The OXO Obsidian 12-inch pan comes with a removable silicone handle sleeve, and honestly, that small detail makes a big difference when you're flipping pancakes or moving a hot pan. At $54.99, it's a bit pricier, but it was named Wirecutter's 2025 Best Pick for good reason. Here's why this matters for you. It's pre-seasoned, lightweight, and develops a natural nonstick patina over time. But what really sets it apart is the 660-degree Fahrenheit oven-safe rating, perfect for finishing steaks under the broiler or baking frittatas. It heats quickly and evenly, so your eggs won't stick and your veggies will caramelize just right. The silicone sleeve stays cool longer than bare metal, which is great if you're not a fan of oven mitts mid-cook. Now, some users mention the silicone sleeve can slip off if the handle gets too greasy. Here's the thing though, just wipe the handle before attaching it and it stays put. It's a minor quirk, not a design flaw. This is perfect for you if you want a high-performing pan with a little extra comfort and modern touches. Skip this one if you prefer a fully metal, no-frills build. For the performance and smart design, it's well worth the extra few dollars.
Product number 3, Merton & Stork 10-inch carbon steel pan was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for smaller households. The Merton & Stork 10-inch pan at $46.27 gives you the same trusted performance in a more compact size. It's also backed by the Strategist recommendation, so you know it's legit. Here's why this matters for you. The smaller size means faster heating and better control when cooking for 1 or 2 people. It's still pre-seasoned, oven-safe, and works on all stovetops, including induction. Whether you're frying an egg, sautéing spinach, or searing a chicken breast, this pan handles it with ease. And at just 3 cups capacity, it's ideal for everyday meals without taking up too much space. Now, some buyers wished it came with a lid, but honestly, most carbon steel pans don't, and a universal lid or foil works fine in a pinch. It's not a deal breaker, just something to keep in mind. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, no-fuss pan for daily cooking without the bulk. Skip this one if you regularly cook large meals or need a pan for big family batches. For the price and performance, it's one of the best values out there.
Product number 4, OXO Obsidian 10-inch carbon steel pan. If you loved the OXO Obsidian's features but wanted something more manageable, this 10-inch version brings the same quality in a smaller package. At $59.99, it's the most expensive on this list, but you're paying for that premium feel and smart design. Here's why this matters for you. It has the same removable silicone sleeve, 660-degree Fahrenheit oven safety, and non-stick building surface. The 10-inch size is perfect for single servings, omelets, or side dishes, and it still heats evenly and responds quickly to temperature changes. The lightweight build makes flipping and tossing effortless, great if you're stir-frying or making crepes. Now, some people felt the higher price wasn't justified for the size. Here's the thing though, if you value comfort, brand reliability, and that silicone grip, the extra cost makes sense. But if you're on a tight budget, it might feel steep. This is perfect for you if you want a premium, user-friendly pan for everyday cooking and don't mind spending a bit more. Skip this one if you're looking for the best bang for your buck. It's excellent, but only if the extras matter to you.
Product number 5, StackBear 10-inch nitrided carbon steel pan. The StackBear 10-inch pan at $39.99 is the dark horse of this list. What makes it different? It uses nitrided steel, a process that hardens the surface and resists rust better than traditional carbon steel. That means you can cook acidic foods like tomatoes or lemon without worrying about damaging the pan. Here's why this matters for you. It's pre-seasoned, heats fast, and builds a natural nonstick layer over time. The 2mm base reduces hot spots, so your food browns evenly. Plus, it's compatible with all stovetops and oven safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. The silicone handle cover adds comfort, and a lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver. Now, some users reported the seasoning wore off faster with heavy acidic use. Here's the thing though, that's true of most carbon steel pans, but the nitrided layer does offer better protection. Just reseason occasionally, and it'll last for years. This is perfect for you if you want advanced rust resistance and great performance at a lower price. Skip this one if you need a larger pan or cook mostly high-heat meats. For everyday versatility and durability, it's a smart pick.
So which one should you get? The Merton & Stork 12-inch is great for big meals and outdoor use. The OXO Obsidian 12-inch adds comfort with its silicone handle. The 10-inch versions are better for smaller kitchens, and the StackBear offers unique rust protection at a lower price. Each has its strengths. Pick the one that fits your cooking style and budget.